Happy Baby is a restorative posture. It especially benefits the lower back, hamstrings, hips, and pelvic region. If pregnant, please avoid this posture. If any underlying conditions, please check with your doctor before practicing. Practice safely. Don't forget to subscribe. Begin by laying on your back. Lower your feet to the mat, hip width apart, and close to your buttocks. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, feet off the floor. Extend the legs with flat feet towards the ceiling. Separate your legs and draw your knees in towards your armpits. Slowly moving into this, begin to reach towards your feet. There are plenty of options for variations here. You can wrap your fingers around your calves or ankles, or even use a belt and drape it over your feet. Bring your elbows towards your inner knees and your fingers on the soles of your feet and press down. Keep the neck long, the back of the head, shoulders, lower back, and sacrum connected to the floor. Use a blanket under your hips or the back of your head if you think that might be more comfortable for your experience. Once you are there, press your feet and knees down. Engage your abdomen and the muscles in that region. Hold and breathe for 6 to 8 counts. If you're in the mood to level up your Happy Baby, take your peace fingers, wrap them around your big toes, bend your elbows, rock side to side. Bring a smile to your face, Happy Baby. Wherever you are, release your hands, pedal your feet, lower soles to the mat, windshield wipe knees side to side. Let's practice one more time together here. And remember, modifications, variations, as well as props are available for you to meet you where you are so that you can grow in your practice safely. When you're ready, stretch your legs long for a brief Shavasana. Keep practicing, keep growing. Namaste.